Hey guys, this is Dimitri with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Beats Solo 3 wireless headphones. So to do the reset, the factory reset or the hard reset, whatever you want to call it, all you got to do is just simply press and hold the power button and press and hold the pause and play button with the B logo together for 10 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Once you count to 10 or 15 seconds, go ahead and let go of both buttons. You should see a sequence of flashing lights. Once the flashing sequence stops and you have all lights lit up like this flashing, that means you have successfully done the factory reset and you are ready to pair your headphones via Bluetooth. Thanks for watching.